Yeah. I think I might have had to go back home for fix it. It's the headquarters if you want. Can we move on?